most transformative and unforgettable experiences of my life. This journey wasn't just about achieving a crown or a title. It was about rediscovering myself, regaining my confidence, and proving that dreams can come true with hard work, resilience, and the support of an incredible community. There was a time when I doubted my abilities and questioned my potential. But this journey has shown me that with determination and faith, we can overcome even the toughest obstacles. I stand here not only as a title holder, but as someone who has risen above self-doubt and embraced growth. For this, I owe a debt of gratitude to the amazing people who stood by me every step of the way. To Sir Carlo Martin and Sir Jonathan Alegre, thank you for your guidance, mentorship, and unwavering belief in me. You both saw something in me even when I struggled to see it myself. Your encouragement inspired me to push beyond my limits and believe that I could achieve greatness. To my incredible manager, Michael Espanto, I can't thank you enough for your tireless efforts, patience, and wisdom. You've been more than a manager. You've been a mentor and a source of strength. Your confidence in me fueled my drive to be better not only on stage, but in every aspect of my life. To Chloe, thank you for your support throughout my journey. Your presence and encouragement gave me the strength to keep going, especially during moments of doubt. The role you played in this chapter of my life is something I will always be grateful for, and your belief in me made a world of difference. To the entire Talents Manila team, thank you for being my second family. Your hard work behind the scenes, your dedication to nurturing talents, and your encouragement have been the foundation of my success. This achievement is not just mine, it belongs to all of us.